Now, this video is for those clients that have been asking me that they need the property they can buy for their parents, or due to one or two health challenges, they are unable to climb the stairs. So they need something on the ground level that is both luxurious, comfortable, good finishing. This video is for you. Hi, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties, and if you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Emerald. Now, this property is located right here in Ogombo. Right here, we're going to have a 3-bedroom, fully detached duplex and a 3-bedroom bungalow, and also we have a 10-month payment plan, interest-free. Now, with an initial deposit of 15 million naira, you can spread your balance up to 10 months without paying any additional charges. Where else can you see an investment that will give you a 10-month interest-free? I'm sure you can't get that anywhere. Property comes with the government allocation CFO, and it's amazing investment just for you. Now, this standing behind me is a sample unit of our bungalow. I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, and if you check over here, we are having other units being built. So I'm going to do it, flip the camera, show you the sample unit, show you inside, show you to see the rooms for yourself. And if I were you, I'll call the number that I show you on your screen and secure a unit or more right there, because the bungalows are few units. Getting a bungalow in the market is very, very difficult. So you getting a bungalow that offers you a 10-month interest-free payment plan, this is an opportunity you don't want to snooze it. So guys, let's go into the business of the day. Okay, so welcome to my channel. This video is for basically is for people that have been asking me that they need a bungalow in a prime location. They've not been able to get a bungalow. So I have a good one for you now. This bungalow offers you the opportunity to pay from 0 to 10 months without any interest. So it has a flexible payment plan. Okay, so right here, this is the Emerald at Ogombo Road. You can see over there. So we are having a 3-bedroom fully detached and a 3-bedroom bungalow right here. So this is the gatehouse. We've done our perimeter fencing. As you can see, okay. So we are sand filling right now because we need to sand fill this whole area for you. So this is our heap of sands. With more sands are still coming in to sand fill the area, then to start work properly. Now this property was launched 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I came for the property launch 2 weeks ago. So it's equally a new project. It's an off-plan project, as you can rightly see. So we just have 3-bedroom fully detached duplex and 3-bedroom bungalow. So all these places will be for the bungalow, while everywhere else will be for the duplex. So the bungalows are not much, just very, very few units. So it's first come, first serve. Once you've keyed in and you made your 15 million naira initial deposit, you can lock a unit right here. So this is a sample unit. I'll be going right there to show you how the bungalow is going to look like. So this is a sample unit. This took about 1 month for them to build it. So if you're paying outright, you're sure of getting your project delivered like in a short possible time. So the facilities we're going to have here, we're going to have green areas, lots of trees. We've started planting like 100 trees. So we're going to plant a lot of trees around this estate, inside this estate. So we're going to have a gym, we're going to have a swimming pool, and a lot amazing facilities for your stay right here. I mean, you're going to enjoy living in this property. Okay, so these are sample units of the bungalow. This is a 3-bedroom bungalow. So let me just go around, and it's sitting on 300 square meters, so it's going to have a lot of space. So let me just quickly go around so you can just see. Mind you, this is a sample unit, so this is just put in place to show you how the bungalow is going to look like. Okay, so yeah, so this just going around, and this property are going to extend it, because if you look right here, this another unit that they are building up. So if you look where they did the woodwork from here, you see that it still extends. So they're going to extend this. The subsequent ones they're going to build, they're going to extend, so to make the rooms bigger. Okay, so this is it. So all these lines from this one down straight to that place is for our bungalow. So everywhere else is for our duplexes. So it's going to be a massive project, a huge project. You know, but it's quite unfortunate that the bungalows are limited units. Okay, so let's head inside so you see the sample units, how the bungalow is going to look like. Okay, so right here you have like a layout. Remember I said they're going to plant a lot of trees. So this is the layout of how it's going to look like. See the emerald. So we're having our bungalows by this side, then having the duplexes, then swimming pool, you have your gym, then you have trees. So we have lots and lots of greenery to give you good fresh air. I mean, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, so this is the living area. It's going to be an open plan kitchen, as you can see from here. So it's going to be an open plan kitchen. So this is the living area. Remember, it doesn't come fully furnished. This is the sample unit, so I'm just showing you how it's going to look like. Okay, so this is the open plan kitchen. And subsequent units are going to extend it. So this is room 1. And all rooms are in suites. So, okay, so let's see second room. So this is just like to give you an idea of how it's going to look like. Remember, subsequent units like the bungalows is good, the rooms are going to be bigger than this. So the rooms are definitely going to be bigger than this. So equally in suites, all rooms in suite, including the duplex in suite. So by the time work is going on right here, we'll be coming here to do update videos. But I just needed to introduce to you this property because I don't want you to miss out on this lovely project. So this is the master's bed. So it's longer. So what they are doing is they are extending it so it will be bigger. So they extend every room to make it bigger than this. So right now it's looking longer from this side, from this window side down. It's looking longer. So they are extending it. Okay, so each unit is sitting on 300 square meters to give you enough space to park your cars, compound space. So this is the bathroom. Okay, so for the price, I'll be dropping the price on the caption. You check the price, or let me just say the price. Okay, the price for the bungalow is still selling at 100 million right now. But if you are watching this video a week from today, the price has increased. It will no longer be selling for 100 million naira. It's going to be selling for 110 million naira. Why the 3-bedroom fully detached duplex is going to be selling for 170 million naira. In fact, it has already started selling for 170 million naira. So just like I said, call the number and let's get started. If you're worried about if this people going to deliver, I can assure you that this developer are going to deliver. You know, the properties I bring right here are properties that are developers that have track record, they delivered before. So you have no fear of if developers being delivered. So this I forgot to even show you the visitor's toilet. So just like I said, call the number and let's get started. So from time to time I'll be coming here to do an update video, be showing you the level of work we've done here so far. So till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.